Hello, I'm Helen Bradley. Welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're going to look at sizing the artboard to the size of your art so that you can export it without excess data. I have an image here, and the only bit that I want to export is the bit that's inside this clipping group. So I've got bits of the image over the edge of the artboard, and I've got great swags of the artboard here that are unused. So I plan to save my artwork as a JPEG file, so I would go File and then Export. I'll use Save for Web Legacy, and you can see I'm going to save absolutely everything. I don't want this bit here, I don't want this bit here, and I'm missing a bit off the top. So I'm going to cancel out of here. What I'll do is select all my artwork. I'll go to the Artboard tool and just click it once, and then I'll double click it. And here from the preset list, I have an option which is Fit to Selected Art. I could also use Fit to Artwork Bounds because they're the exact same thing. But in some cases, you might want to actually select what you want to size your artboard to. In some cases, it just might be the entire artwork bounds. It really is a choice. And in some cases, these will be different. In my case, it's the exact same thing. I'll click Fit to Selected Art and then click OK. And my artboard is automatically resized to match my art. I'll click away from it, just click on the selection tool, and that deselects the Artboard tool. Now when I choose File and Export Save for Web Legacy, you'll see I'm only selecting the element that was actually on the artboard, and I do have Clip to Artboard selected. That's always a worthwhile option to consider, particularly if you've got bits and pieces hanging off the edge of the artboard or just being stored out to the side. Choosing Clip to Artboard means that all of that is left out and only the data that's actually on the artboard is going to be saved. So I just go ahead and save that. So I hope that this video has been of use to you. Please, if it helped, give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that we can let you know when new videos are released. Until next time, my name is Helen Bradley, and thank you so much for joining me here on my YouTube channel.